Hey there, homeowners! Tired of looking at grimy, cloudy shower glass? Let's tackle that today and say goodbye to shower glass grime forever. So why does shower glass get so dirty? Well, it's constantly bombarded by water, soap, shampoo and body oils. This results in soap scum, hard water stains and even mildew. Ignoring these can lead to permanent etching, so regular cleaning is essential. Daily maintenance is super simple. Just wipe down the glass after each shower. Use a squeegee, microfiber cloth, or a quick-dry towel to prevent water droplets from drying and leaving marks. For an extra boost, mist the glass with a 50/50 vinegar water spray and wipe it dry. This quick action goes a long way in keeping your glass clear. Now let's talk about a weekly deep clean. Here's what you'll need: white vinegar, dish soap, baking soda, optional, spray bottle, microfiber cloths, and a non-abrasive sponge or scrub brush. Start by pre-rinsing the glass with warm water. This helps loosen grime. Mix equal parts white vinegar and dish soap in a spray bottle, spray it on the glass and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Then scrub gently with a non-scratch sponge. For tough spots, sprinkle baking soda directly on the sponge. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and dry completely with a microfiber cloth or squeegee. Got stubborn buildup? Use a commercial glass cleaner for hard water stains, or make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply, let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. To prevent future buildup, consider installing a water softener, switch to liquid body wash, leave the shower door open after use, and apply a glass protectant like Rain-X every few weeks. And there you have it. With a simple daily wipe and weekly deep clean, your shower glass will stay sparkling and clear. Happy cleaning and enjoy your pristine bathroom. No time to clean? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call us today at 256-633-6332 for a free quote, or visit us at bearbroscleaning.com.